I'm trying PETG on this pin bed, SOVOL SV08. Yes, look at that, nozzle scraping the bed. Now when I tried this area, these are tree supports at either end. Those adhere to the bed fine, but the actual part, once it starts really going. By the way, this skirt looks okay to me, maybe a bit low, but generally people say you want it low for PETG. Once it starts doing the part, I've had nothing but problems earlier. So I'll wait a bit and come back. I need to put my glass sheet on top, by the way. Now, yeah, look at that. Look at this. What the hell? Why are the two entry supports seem okay? I did do a small quick print just before this and it was perfect. Bed leveling been done, PETG been done, zero offset been done, filament dried as you've seen. That is far too close to the bed. I expect this, when I remove it, to have damaged the bed again. That's what happened here. Yes, I can change the offset manually. But why are the two tree supports okay? And then it seems to almost start not too bad, but gradually get worse here. Now is it that the bed is like warping? That's what I'm starting to think now, is the bed is bowing a tiny bit because the heat bed is on. Well, it was on 85 there. Well, first of all, I'll show you this. Yes, a SOVOL filament dryer, which I actually have on at the moment. Temperature percentage of humidity, 27% humidity. That's what it claims, and then it shows the time I've got it set to. So 50 degrees at 27%, actually that's gone up a bit, it was about 22. This has a heater in and a fan. These two rollers can roll easily. It's a manual thing, so it doesn't have any sort of presets on it. Sometimes while it's doing it, I'll open the lid like this, or even prop it open a bit like this to let any moisture out. But sometimes when I do that, see it's on 25 now. So that's feeding through here. There's 4 of these, like they have bones. Up direct to my filament run out, through the bone tube and into the